information and opinions. The first television set was invented in 1927 by Philo Taylor Farnsworth. His idea was to capture moving images, transfer them into codes, then move the images along radio waves to different devices.
World Television Day is celebrated on 21st November every year. It was the United Nations who created the observation in December 1996 and it has been observed every year.
Television was acknowledged as a major tool in informing, channeling and affecting public opinion, having an undoubtable presence and influence on world politics.
Because of this event, the UN General Assembly decided to name November 21st as the World Television Day. Not only the object itself, but the symbol of greatest means of communication. It has played a significant role for lives of people for years.
Television is a medium that provides entertainment, education, news, politics, and helps in transmitting moving images in 2 or 3 dimensions and sound. It is the single largest source of video consumption.
The day recognizes that television plays a major role affecting different issues that affect people. World Television Day is a time to rewatch and relive some of the greatest moments of television that help to bring the reality of rapidly technologically advancing world into people's home.
Hello everyone, this is Mihir here. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please follow our Facebook page, like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you stay updated with the latest happenings at Little Fla High School Abbotts. Thank you and have a great day.